Hello everyone, welcome to this Bloggomatic tutorial for beginners. In this comprehensive guide, I'll show you how to use Bloggomatic to create and manage your automated blog posts effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned blogger looking to streamline your content creation process or a beginner eager to start your blogging journey, Bloggomatic has got you covered. So, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of automated blogging. Bloggomatic is a powerful tool that allows you to automate the process of creating and publishing blog posts on your WordPress website. The biggest feature of Bloggomatic is that it's completely free. You can download the Bloggomatic plugin for free using the link in the description. When you are on the home page of the website, simply click on this yellow Get Started Free button to download the plugin. Here on the right side, you can see the price is $0. This ensures that the plugin is fully free and there are no hidden charges. Now, type in your email address. Please make sure that you type a valid email address as the receipt of this purchase will be sent to your email. Now, type your first name and last in the respective boxes. And lastly, click on the Free Download button. That's how easy it is to download the Bloggomatic plugin for your website. Now let's go through some of its features. Keyword automation in Bloggomatic allows you to automatically include targeted keywords within your blog posts. This feature helps improve your website's search engine ranking by ensuring that your content is optimized for relevant keywords. By specifying keywords or keyword phrases, Bloggomatic can intelligently insert them into your post titles, headings, body content, meta tags, and other essential elements. This not only saves time, but also ensures that your content is SEO friendly and aligns with your content marketing strategy. Content generation is the core functionality of Bloggomatic. This feature enables you to automatically generate high-quality content for your blog from various sources. Bloggomatic offers flexibility and versatility in content sourcing. By leveraging content generation, you can keep your blog updated with fresh and engaging content without the need for manual input. This not only saves time and effort, but also ensures a steady stream of relevant content to engage your audience. Auto-linking is a powerful feature of Bloggomatic that automates the process of interlinking your blog posts. Internal linking is essential for SEO as it helps search engines discover and index your content more effectively. With auto-linking, Bloggomatic can automatically insert hyperlinks to relevant posts or pages within your website based on predefined criteria. This helps improve the user experience by guiding visitors to related content and encourages them to explore more pages on your site. SEO optimization is an integral part of Bloggomatic's functionality. This feature ensures that your automated blog posts are optimized for search engines, helping improve your website's visibility and ranking in search results. By optimizing your blog posts for SEO, you can attract more organic traffic, increase your website's authority, and enhance your online presence. Ultimately, SEO optimization with Bloggomatic helps you achieve better results in terms of search engine rankings and website traffic, driving growth and success for your blog. Now, let's go through how you can install Bloggomatic plugin into your website. After you have downloaded the plugin, head to your WordPress administration panel and from the Plugins menu, choose Add New. Now at the top of the page that opens, click the button that says Upload Plugin. Find the downloaded plugin on your device, proceed to upload it, and then click Install, followed by Activate. The Bloggomatic overview page will ask for your API key. Input your API key into the field on the overview page, then click Save and Activate. Now to set up your configuration options. Navigate to Bloggomatic and then Configuration and set your desired configuration options. Here's a list of different configuration options that you can add. It includes options like Auto Publish that will automatically publish a blog if set to Yes, add internal links. This will automatically find relevant posts and add internal links to your content. Link Frequency. It controls the number of links that appear per post and many more useful options. You can choose any of them according to your preferences. Now, add your keywords. To add keywords, navigate to Bloggomatic and then to Add Keywords. You can add keywords one at a time, or you can add them in bulk by placing them on separate lines. You can also define the specific author and category for each keyword that you add. This allows you to assign different lists of keywords to different categories, etc. The next step is to enable Bloggomatic. Once you are satisfied with your configuration settings and the keywords that you have added, you can enable Bloggomatic and it will begin processing them. To enable Bloggomatic, head to Bloggomatic and then Overview and then click on the Enable button. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured the Bloggomatic plugin on your WordPress site. With Bloggomatic, you can now automate your content creation process and keep your blog updated with fresh, engaging posts effortlessly. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of Bloggomatic. Blocky content. Bloggomatic tends to produce text that is quite dense and blocky. Users who prefer content to be broken up regularly with subheadings, bullet points, and short paragraphs might find themselves needing to manually insert additional breaks to improve readability. Internal links. Not perfect. The tool's handling of internal links isn't always optimal. While it includes internal links, the anchor texts used for these links could be better chosen. Users might need to manually adjust the anchor texts to ensure they are more relevant and effective for SEO and user navigation purposes. On the other hand, the pros of Bloggomatic are that it provides a completely free plugin. Other than that, the plans offered by Bloggomatic are very affordable, and the content actually ranks. Despite being AI-generated, the content produced by Bloggomatic performs well in search engines, alongside the free plugin. Bloggomatic also provides different paid plans. The starter plan starts at $97 per month. It provides you with 2 articles per day, which sum up to 60 articles per month. The starter plan also includes features like auto-linking and featured image generation. The next plan is the Pro plan, which starts at $159 per month. It provides you with 5 articles per day, which sum up to 150 articles per month. It also includes features like auto-linking and featured image generation. The most popular plan is the Powerhouse plan, which starts at $299 per month. It provides you with 10 articles per day, which sum up to 300 articles per month. It also includes features like auto-linking and featured image generation. And the last plan is the Ultimate plan that starts at $499 per month. It provides you with 25 articles per day, which sum up to 750 articles per month. All of these plans include 24/7 customer support. If you have any confusion or any questions, you can contact customer support and they will help you out in every way possible. And there you have it. You've just completed the Bloggomatic tutorial for beginners. With Bloggomatic, you can take your blogging to the next level by automating the content creation process and delivering fresh, engaging posts to your audience consistently. You can click the link in the description to try Bloggomatic for free.